Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today, it's all about sushi. I have fell in love with sushi and every once in a while I like to make it. So the first thing we want to do is to rinse our rice. Okay, we're gonna cook our rice for 20 minutes. So we want to bring this to a boiling and then we're going to cover and simmer it for 20 minutes. We're going to make our dressing for the rice. We're going to add our rice wine vinegar, some sugar, and some salt. So in this, I'm going to add some roasted seaweed. They say it kind of brings out the flavor or adds to the flavor. So we'll let that sit in here while our rice is cooking. You're supposed to put it in when it's still hot. Just cut it into the rice. Now, I'm not an expert at this, believe me, but I do know that I love having sushi for lunch. So we're going to use nori, and we're also going to use rice paper. Now I've done the nori before, but not the rice paper. We want to take our sushi roller, place this shiny side down. We want the rough side up. This is kind of warm, so I'm going to use a fork. Some wasabi. And just run it down the middle. Green onions on here. Some cucumbers. Now we're going to roll it. And shape it. Here's our first sushi roll. Should we throw some onions on here too? And there we have another one. One thing I forgot to say is to dip your hands in water when you're spreading this rice out, because it can get sticky. So we're going to do cucumbers on this one and carrots. Make a nice big old roll out of it. This is my little plate of sushi. I'm going to attempt, and I know I'm not using it right, and then I want to dip it in my soy sauce. I'm going to try this. That was really good. I enjoyed that. I have 2 more. I didn't put wasabi on them, but I did put ginger because I put the wasabi in the middle. And we found that putting it in the middle is great, but if you also put it on the outside, the top, it's too hot for us. So, thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later.